Next, I will guide you on how to create a conversation by subtitles file using TTSOPENAI.com. You select StoryMaker, then click the Import SRT button to import subtitles file. Here you can see each spoken sentence imported accurately. For each sentence, you can customize the content, speed, and voice. You can try listening to them here or search by gender, age, or country. Additionally, you can use the local voices provided by TTSOPENAI.com. In this case, I choose Echo as the voice for reading. Similarly, you can customize the other sentences to be more appropriate. After inputting the conversation, you select the audio output quality, then click Create Story to proceed with the translation. When a pop-up appears, you name the conversation and choose the output format, which is MP3 by default. Then click the Let's Start Creating button to start the conversion. After the translation is complete, you can check it in the History section. After the translation is complete, you can either listen to the full conversation or listen and download the individual character lines here. And here is the result you have received. Welcome to the example subtitle file.
This is a demonstration of SRT subtitles.
You can use SRT files to add subtitles to your videos. Each subtitle entry consists of a number. Thank you for using TTSOPENAI.com.